Did you know that your business can seamlessly accept payments directly from customers within Salesforce Communities or Experience Cloud? With Chargent's Take Payment Component, you can offer a streamlined, secure, and user-friendly payment experience that meets your customers where they are. I am Robert from Chargent. Today, I'll share 5 key benefits of why your org should take payments directly within your Salesforce community. Okay, let's get into it. Benefit 1, convenience for customers. One of the primary benefits is to create a convenience experience for your customers. They can use your digital experiences pages to make payments online rather than calling your team. It also allows them to keep track of payments and save their payment method information to reuse easily in the future. Benefit 2, reduce call center overhead. Another benefit to your business is that the future reduces burden on your call center staff. They won't have to take so many calls. People who need more help will have reduced wait times, which can help you cut overhead costs. Benefit 3, increase revenue. The ability to make payments online gives you more opportunities to make more revenue. You have the chance to upsell and cross-sell with e-commerce capabilities that help you get other products in front of your customers while they're making a payment. Just a quick note. I want to remind you that you can try Chargent for free for 30 days. Getting set up is easy and it takes just 10 minutes. And if you get stuck, we're here to help you along the way. Start taking payments directly in Salesforce with Chargent by clicking the link in the description below. You'll be one step closer to truly efficient payment process. Benefit 4, increase customer engagement. Another great benefit is the ability to boost customer engagement. Since your customers are already logged into your Experience Cloud, you'll have the perfect opportunity to connect with them through notifications, marketing messages, and other communications. It's a great way to keep them engaged and informed. Benefit number 5, strengthen customer trust and security. Taking payments directly through your Salesforce Communities or Experience Cloud helps strengthen customer trust by providing a secure, familiar environment. Since customers are already comfortable using the platform, they're more likely to feel confident in completing transactions. Plus, Salesforce's robust security features help ensure their payment information is protected, further building trust and fostering long-term relationships. By leveraging these 5 benefits, you can create a seamless and effective payment experience directly within your Experience Cloud, driving both customer satisfaction and business success.
Did you know that your customers are more tech-savvy than ever? And savvy customers expect a seamless payment experience. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce professional looking to transform your Salesforce Experience Cloud or community into a bona fide payment portal, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss why self-service payments are so important, the benefits for your org, and the setup. The power of self-service payments. Customers often don't have time to call into your call center, so offering a self-service payment option allows them to handle payments on their own schedule. This not only makes things easier for them, but it also reduces call volume and shortens wait times for your team. With customers already logged into your Experience Cloud, you can also seize this opportunity to engage them with notifications, marketing, and other messages, making the most of their attention. Now let's move on to the setup, which is easy and it's done with clicks, not code. We've included a link in the description of this video that goes into detail on the setup process, but in a nutshell, it works like this. Step 1. You'll need to create some custom fields that will be used by our Take Payment component. The first of which will be used to point the Take Payment component to a Chargent order record. The field is related to the Chargent order object, and the type will be lookup relationship. Once created, copy the field API name and paste that into a text document. The next field will be used to determine the payment amount, and for this, we'll choose the currency field type. Add a field label and be sure to enter 2 in the decimal places field. Save this and copy the field API name for it to that same text document. Before we continue, download our Salesforce Payments checklist and start allowing customers to self-service their transactions. It's time to get paid faster and lighten your team's workload, so visit the link in the description and download it now. Step 2. Copy the gateway record ID. We'll use this to determine which of your payment gateway records will be used in the component. click the app launcher, then search for and select Gateways. Click the gateway record you wish to use, then copy the gateway ID from the URL. Paste that into your text document. Step 3. In the Experience Builder, navigate to the page from which you plan to take payments. Click the Components icon at the top left and drag the Chargent Take Payment Component onto your page. Step 4. While still in the Experience Builder, click on the Take Payment component that you just added to the page to reveal the configuration panel. And from here, you'll fill out the required fields, which should take a minute or two. Paste the gateway ID that you copied earlier into the gateway ID field. Then paste the field API name for the currency field that you created into the field called Charge Amount Field API Name. And now paste the field API name for the lookup field that you created into the field called Chargent Object Lookup Field API Name. Another mouthful, I get it. Feel free to leverage the other options from the configuration panel if needed. Once done, click the Publish button to save, and then publish the page. And that's it. You've payment-enabled your Experience Cloud page. Your customers will be thrilled with how easy it is to make secure payments. They can simply enter their card or bank details and click the Pay button. And thanks to our Payment Methods feature, their next payment will be even easier because they won't need to enter their payment details at all. Instead, they can simply select their saved payment methods from the list. In just a few minutes, you've empowered your customers to make payments in your Experience Cloud. You've saved that customer and your own staff precious time by offering real payment flexibility. I'd call that an upgrade.
Are you seeing abandoned shopping carts in your e-commerce store? You're not alone. My name is Danielle and I'm from Chargent. In the first half of 2024, over 70% of all online shopping carts were abandoned, and nearly 85% of mobile device shoppers abandoned their purchases. The reason? Too long of a checkout process. A complex checkout process in Salesforce communities makes it harder for customers to buy what they want. Good news is that you can easily optimize your checkout processes in Salesforce communities in 4 quick steps. And here's how. Step 1. Optimize your website for mobile devices. Chances are a large portion of your target audience uses their smartphone or tablet to browse your online store. You don't want to turn off potential customers because they can't view your products or find what they need. You also don't want to risk missing a sale because a customer couldn't see your Buy Now button. Test out your e-commerce site on mobile devices to make sure products are easy to find and add to a shopping cart. Ideally, customers will see purchase buttons without needing to scroll on their phones. You want that button front and center on their screen. Step 2. Eliminate unnecessary steps to checkout. Next, keep your checkout process to 1 page and limit the number of steps required to purchase. Of course, you want to collect basic information like the customer's name, billing details, and shipping address, but you probably don't need much more than that. With 48% of customers abandoning their carts due to friction in the checkout process, it's important to adapt and adjust when needed. If your e-commerce store requires an account setup to make a purchase, consider making it optional instead. That way, customers can quickly buy without undergoing a lengthy account setup process. You can still keep your account setup option, but give customers the choice. That way, you'll see fewer abandoned carts. Before we move on to the next step, remember that you can try Chargent for free for 30 days. It's quick to set up, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Click the link in the description to get started and see how Chargent can help you streamline payments in Salesforce. Don't miss out. Start your free trial today. Step 3. Enable autofill during the checkout process. Your third step is to allow autofill for contact information and addresses. Most web browsers store personal data. By enabling autofill, the browser will insert personal details automatically rather than require the customers to enter them. This can be a tremendous time saver for customers using mobile devices. Some browsers also store payment details, which customers can choose from to finalize their purchase. Step 4. Allow customers to save payment methods. Finally, you can allow customers to store payment methods if they create an account. That way, the next time they shop with you, they don't have to find their credit or debit card to fill in their payment information. The details are already stored on your site, and they simply select the card to complete the purchase process. When you implement these 4 steps, you should see a drop in abandoned carts since there's less friction in the purchase process. Your customers won't have to take extra steps to buy the items they want, and they can check out quickly no matter what device they're using, whether it's a smartphone or a PC. Happy customers mean more sales. My name is Danielle, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Remember, you can try Chargent free for 30 days. Just click the link in the description to get started. And for more helpful tips, watch this next video. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.